you want to learn about servers or data centers, I'm going to teach you a few things. Let's start. Here, as you can see, here we have this floor mat. So at the door of the data center, so that way this will trap all the dirt of the shoes and everything will be good. So as you can see here, I am in a data center. So that is one of the tricks, besides having air filters in all the air conditions and keeping all the fans of the computers all clean. And so that way you don't have to air blow every server, and you can keep them running for many years. If you want to keep the data center clean, you can have all these trays that you see here, and then that way you can run all the cables over here to the servers. So now the servers are over there, and the power, you can have these rails that you see here, and you can have the receptacles over here, so that way you don't have to worry about saying, okay, I need to move the cables, the power cables, or moving the electric outlets and everything from one place to another. So like that is how it's all made. Alright, as you can see, this is the box, 250 amps. That is crazy. So if you add one of these, and then in each rail, and then you can run in each rail up to 250 amps. That is a lot. Here you have two rails, as you can see here. So that is how you can power up everything. As you can see, this is the rail where you can slide these electric outlets, and then you can have power where you want. And each electric outlet that you see here, it can support up to 60 amps. That is very crazy. As you can see here, these are the electric outlets, the receptacles, so that way you can move them around, and then you can have the power wherever you want to have the power. As you can see, they have the 10 kilo amps breaker for each one of those huge electric outlets that you see over there. Right, as you can see, if you have different colors for the UPS, battery backup, it's easier to identify, which power supply you're using or which battery backup you're using. Also, if you're repairing one, for instance, I just repaired this, and I put it, backwards, so that way it will be easier to identify, because you have too many. If you don't have the numbers on the back, at least you can try and see if everything is working. As you can see, with these big tanks that you see there, for those little bells that you see there, or things, that is where the chemicals is released and put out the fire. But I'm ready to go now, so see you next time.